everyone, welcome to this lesson about psycholinguistics. In this video, we will discuss the meaning of psycholinguistics, definition, and the major branch of psycholinguistics. Let us start with the word psycholinguistic. The word psycholinguistic is made of two parts, psycho and linguistic. First, let us talk about psycho. Psycho comes for psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and behavior. It studies how people think, how they feel, and how they understand the world. Next, let us talk about linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It studies how language is learned, how language is used, and how language is structured. Linguistics also study the element of language such as sound, word, and sentence. When we combine psychology and linguistics, we get a new field called psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is a branch of study that combines psychology and linguistics. It studies the relationship between the human mind and language. It explains how language exists in the mind and how thinking helps humans use language. According to psycholinguistics, language is a product of the human mind. Language does not exist outside the mind. We cannot see language or touch it. We cannot buy language in a shop. Language exists inside our thought and mental process. Psycholinguistics believe that language is created in the mind first, not in society. Society may influence language, but language begins in the human mind. Our perception, idea, and thoughts shape the language we use. This field also believes that the way we think affects the way we speak. Our language ability depends on how our mind works. If our thinking changes, our language use may also change. Now, let us talk about the major branches of psycholinguistics. There are 5 main areas. In the first area is language processing. Language processing studies what happens in the mind when we use language. It explains how we process language when we listen, speak, read, and write. For example, when we hear a sentence, our brain quickly understands sound and meaning at the same time. The second area is language storage. Language storage studies how language is stored in our memory. It explains how words, meaning, and sentence are saved in the mind. It also explains how we remember words and use them again when we need them. The third area is language comprehension. Language comprehension studies how we understand meaning. It explains how we understand sentence from idea and build concept for language. When we read or hear something, our mind creates meaning from the words. The fourth area is language and the brain. This area studies the connection between language and the brain. It explains where language is stored in the brain and how the brain manages language information. This area is sometimes called neurolinguistics. The fifth and final area is language acquisition. Language acquisition studies how children learn their first language. Children can learn language naturally without formal teaching. Even babies can start learning language before they have strong social interaction. In the conclusion, psycholinguistics help us understand how language and the human mind work together. It shows that language is not only a social tool but also a mental process. and thank you for your attention. I hope this explanation helped you understand psycholinguistically. Goodbye.